So you have been receiving countless emails from different marketers, website agencies, and people. These emails have now occupied your Google Drive to an extent that you want to clear the storage, but you don't know how to start deleting one after the other. Don't worry, I have a solution for you. You know that it takes a single button to delete all the unwanted emails to save your Google storage. I will show you a hack that you can filter all these emails to a single, and with a single push of a delete button, you can clear everything at once without wasting your time. Come closer. If you search unsubscribe in the search area, so let's search unsubscribe, good. You will discover that you have thousands or millions or however, I don't know how many you may get. Follow my steps. Number one, click the filter button. Then type unsubscribe in the section area that you see has the word. So here I am in the has the words area, and I will type unsubscribe. So let's see what that comes to play. So I've typed unsubscribe, and all right, okay, so let me copy this. I know I'll need it later. So all I have to do is to create filter, and in here which is the step 4, is to apply a label and also type unsubscribe as the label. So to apply a label, which in here we will type unsubscribe, and when we type this unsubscribe, I think I'll prefer a capital U, and then I'll type create, and also apply filter to matching conversations. Check this box, don't forget to check it. So when you check the box, all you have to do is to create filter. Now that you have created the filter, all these emails will move to that unsubscribe filter in just a moment. So you can see I have about 12,477, and with this I don't need to start deleting one after the other. With this I can just select all, and also about 13,000 actually. Select all 13,836 conversation in unsubscribe. That's huge. So all I have to do that, then hit delete, and everything will be gone. Congratulations, you have successfully cleared your unwanted emails in 6 steps. So you can follow me for more tips like this and hacks like this. You're welcome.